How to list a product in Shopify. So here from the homepage of Shopify, we want to focus on the left hand side and just click on products. This will load a list of all of our products, and if we want to list another one, we will simply click on add product here, and I'm going to show you how we can set this up. So we have to type out a title, so I'm going to do keychain. We have to write a description for it, so I'll write Star Wars keychain, and we also have to upload a photo here. So we can do images, videos, or 3D models, and we can also import it from a link, but I'm going to upload new, and I'll simply select it from my desktop. So it looks like this, and we have to set a price for it. So I'll do $5 as an example. And we can also track the quantity or not if we have an unlimited supply. And we can also check this is a physical product. So this will generate the keychain search engine listing for us, like so. And we can also add a product type here, vendor, collections, and tags. And if everything is correctly set up, we will simply click on save here. And as you can see now, I'm just going to go back. We will have successfully added or listed this product onto our store. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.